Yo, what's up, Molly Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Zena laga titi, Zima Kalakudo ku USA Koma, Dima Chagera ku Botswana. So thank you so much, Mr. Soshangan. Hey, we've been here forever. You know what I mean? If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay. So we are reacting to Onesimus as per request, as per suggestion by Mr. Maseko. So we are going to be reacting to Neighbor. My Neighbor. Chile 1 featuring Harmonize. Onesimus. This gotta be good because these guys are huge stars. Okay, you know somebody's huge because Onesimus music videos, every time I react to them, boom, copyright, not strike, but they are copyrighted. Maybe that's why I'm not reacting to his songs anymore, because I am tired of dealing with the copyright people. You know what I like? Anyway, let me not go political. Let's get to it. Osaka. G-Wagon.
It's original and straight from Millennia.
Witty beats go crazy.
Yo, what just happened? That's a lot of Ndalama. Let me. I need to see the guys fight for the cash, and then
Witty beats go crazy.
give it a little.
You never loved me before, why you wanna love me later? I guess you do that cause you know now I got my paper.
Hey.
Let me call my neighbor, kama kita polisi watakubeba. Mweza kumimba mesha beba, inshallah sunataji posi ukuleba. Yani kifupisha fungua mpya kurasa, ila bado nakumbuka ulivonyanyasa. Mweza kona nitakasa, tuongea kwa simu yani hatari saa. Ask my neighbor,
but anyway, kasha iwe Nadi sambilila sana Kate iwe Kasha mwe Mwina mwandini na wabana Merube Mbambarupa
I love the beats on this, man. They have that traditional traditional music from Malawi. That kind of have a Zulu elements to it. Got Nguni? No.
Mwana wa muchishu wa tekanya Alanteka na panshinga na rufyanya. She's so beautiful, I can get my life full now. Panila ngize kwa kunu winga chila yena Kale wampanya badia inena na wabika pesa Apakula la ponse valise tentemen wepo. Never, never. Chidana sanga umjata wele. Never, yeah. Pantu tafya wamewe. Kunkana nawe. Sininga bwezi. Nangula ni jojo waleta. Sininga bwezi po. Teti fiwo me. Pantu tafya wamewe. Kunkana nawe. Sininga bwezi. Nangula ni jojo waleta. Sininga bwezi po. Teti fiwo me. Ali mweli we.
Kudumanji wa bweransu gufuna chani kwa ine. It's been long, I moved on, now you back.
Hey, speaking of Ufuna channel, the Mafuna are my subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. This is Onesimus. This is Zambia, Malawi. Oh, so good. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Why did that take me long to process? Okay.
Chonde mundi siya neva. Usabu digi sindi makulota. Let me be sindi makusoa. Iwe don't you bother, you and me it's over. Moyo wanga ulimu oda. Oh my baby, amandi kwa nira. Such a sweet lady. My new baby, sakonda mirandu. Kasi wakalidwe.
Pantu tafya wamewe. Kunkana nawe. Sininga bwezi Nangula ni jojo waleta. Sininga bwezi po. Teti fiwo me. Pantu tafya wamewe. Kunkana nawe. Sininga bwezi Nangula ni jojo waleta. Sininga bwezi po. Teti fiwo me. No mama ne funa ina. Ne wane lila lila ndesimaila. Ite lavu ya kuchina. It's original and straight from Hallelujah.
Okay. Yo, this is a big song. Chile 1 is yeah man, pretty chill. Chile 1, Onesimus, Harmonize. Yeah, by neighbor. Like, yo, don't do that. Don't do that. You call the neighbor and live a happy life, okay? Then you'll be having my regrets. How you say it? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this, man. Thank you so much, Mr. Maseko, for suggesting this one. It's a banger, okay? Obviously, the artists are huge. I mean, I can... Thank you. See you guys on the other side.